how to adapt our basic skirt for high waist skirts. So stay with me. So like I said, I'll be using my skirt block to adapt for high waist skirt, and all I need to do is to trace this out or use my block. So I'm going to quickly do that now. So now I have my skirt block, the straight skirt block, which is what you can see. Obviously I have it here. So what I'm going to do now is to increase the height of the waist. It's very simple and straightforward. So you could say, oh, she's using a small scale. All the measurements I'll be measuring here is actually for full scale. That is for my kind of measurement, your kind of measurement. So let's go. So from 11, which is here, you measure up 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. So by the side here, which I marked 12A, you measure 2 inches up. 2 inches up. Of course, 2 inches up in this direction, and you connect it with your curve to the 2.5 in that direction. So one thing again here, I said this is 2.5 inch and this is 2 inch. The next thing you're going to do is you take it in from this side. You take it in by quarter, and you take it down. You take it in by quarter. You take it down in this direction. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Then for your darts, of course, you take it up. You take your darts up, and you open up you take your darts up and you open up the side. And all you need to do for the center front is to open it by the amount you have here. You do that, then you take it down back. So we are done for the center front. The center back, we are doing the same thing, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to take the zipper allowance line, take it over by 2.5 in that direction. I roll it up in order for us to be able to get the 2.5. Then on the side, that will be 2 inches, like I did. 2 inches. You take it down in this direction, and of course you connect it. You know it's always have a curve. You connect it in this direction. Yeah. Then at the side here, you take it in by quarter, 1.25, and you roll it down. The essence of that is for it not to gain. That's why we are taking in the quarter on each side of the skirt. So you take that middle line up, you take it up, you do the same thing on the other side too. Sorry about that. Then like I did with this, whatever you have here, you measure it. But that doesn't stop you when you are doing the proper shaping to adjust your waist. To adjust your waist by measuring the actual waist measurements and take it out from the darts. That is, you might end up taking more darts than what you just saw. Yes. So I'm going to connect it in this direction and this direction. So that's the end of the class. We are done already. sorry. So on this line, sorry I didn't do that. On this line, you take it up. So we are done already. This is your high waist skirt. It's very simple. Your slit is already there, and we have all this. It's already intact. Thank you so much for staying tuned with us. Thank you. Like, share, and also leave your comments at the comment section. Click the notification button so you'll be notified when we have a new video for you. And you can check our store at Culture, and also this video will be broken down in order for you to know how to go about it. Thank you so much. So